Good day, sir. I am Alamar J.M. Sumalhag. Today, I'm going to explain my user registration and login system using PHP, MySQL, HTML, and CSS. This system allows users to register, log in, and log out safely and securely with the modern design. Sa database, so first, let's start sa database connection. In this file, I connected my PHP code to my SQL database using MySQLi. I use localhost username, row, and the database name user system. If the connection fails, mo-display siya og error message saying database connection failed. This file is included sa tanan nga PHP pages para makonect sila sa tanan sa database. Sa register PHP. Next, sa registration page, this page allows new users to create an account. So when the form is submitted, I get the value sa username, email, password, confirm password, gender, og ang checkbox for terms and conditions. Before saving na-paid validation, all fields are required. The email must be in correct format. Password must be at least 8 characters. Password must match and the user must agree to terms. If sakto tanan, I use password hash to hash the password, meaning dili makita ang real password sa database. This is securely feature. Then I use a preferred statement to insert the data. Then, preferred statements helps prevent SQL injections, attacks, and other security features. If successful, the system will log in the user automatically and redirect them to the welcome page. Sa login page, PHP, next the login page, when the user inputs email and password, the system checks if the email exists in the database using a prepared statement. If na result, I use password verify and password hash password. This checks kung match ang password ang gi-enter sa user and hash password sa database. If correct, the user data like username, email, and gender will be stored in the session and redirect to the welcome page. If wrong, mo display og error like incorrect password or email not found. Sa welcome page, ma-access rani kung nakalagin ang user. If dili nakalagin, i-redirect siya balik sa login page. Once login, makita nimo ang username, email, o gender sa user. Naay button sa logout. Sa logout page, simple ra siya. If destroy the session using session destroy, then mo redirect balik sa login page. This makes sure na dili ma-access ang system kung nakalogout na ka. For the design, I use a dark gradient background with floating lights para medyo professional o modern look. The form has a glass morphism effect, transparent o blurred background. I also added hover effects sa buttons and smooth animations para nindot tan-awon. Sa security features na ay security-wise na ay daghan protections, password hashing using password hash and password verify. Sa prepared statements to prevent SQL injection. Sa HTML special charge to avoid XSS or script attacks. Session to make sure only login users can access private pages. Sa system flow na ko is very simple lang. So, register hash password, save to database, go to welcome page, log in, verify credentials, go to welcome page, log out, destroy session, back to login page. So, one of my challenges I face kay pag-validate sa inputs o pag-handle sa errors, isud pod gamay pag-set up sa password hashing o session management and first, pero after testing everything worked well. Also, I made sure nga design is clean and professional looking. Ug maura to tanan akong registration logins.